First one. Hello everyone, so ngayon ay Father's Day celebration. And dito kami magsa-celebrate ng Father's Day sa Ghana. Yes! Letter na to ng Happy Father's Day ay galing kay Sofia. Happy Daddy, Happy Father's Day, Happy advance birthday. Kahit cheap yung binibigay ko, I have love for you, Daddy. I wish you live forever. Sana i-libre mo kami ni Ate Joma. At ako ngayon, I love you. Giggles and love. Joma Orma. At okay. I-libre ko na. Okay, so galing kay Happy Father's Day. You're the best dad in the whole world. Who's this?
Sino nagsulat nito?
Wow,
Ano ba yan?
ang ganda. Grabe. Tapos, ito. Ito naman. Ito. Kay Daniel. Happy Daddy Joel, father. Happy Father's Day, Daddy Joel. Ang gano'n! You're the best dad. I love you.
Sino nagsulat?
With all
Ano na na?
Mamaya!
Happy
Excited ka
Daddy
sa
Father.
akin.
Happy Daddy.
Picture muna tayo nila Rachel sa akin.
Sige, video na ako.
Eh, kay Nathan. Bumulit lang siya eh.
Happy Father's Day from Nathan. Happy Father's Day. We all love you so much and thank you for all the hard work. Thank you, Dad. Ooh.
Nakalagay dito.
Thank you, Nathan. Ito naman kay Joma. Oh, parang damit lang, no? Wow. Ayun nga, oh. Gagawa ko. Happy Father's Day. Kahit umuutot ka kung saan-saan. Man, mahal kita, Dad.
21 hours.
Kahit man ito, pero paggawa ko ay pagmamahal. Money does not make dads happy. Love is. I love you, Daddy. Happy Father's Day. Ano mo sa'yo?
Hindi siya yung parang sa...
Wow.
Hindi, sarang hirap.
Sarang hiyo.
Hanggang the next
I love you,
day.
baby.
Kahit tumuutot ka, Dad. Kung saan-saan.
Love you, babe.